Here's another thing you can do with a framing square, and I don't know if you would use this while building houses, but I am going to make the video anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to point out that if you have a semicircle, half of a circle, that's basically what this video would be used for, and the circle or the curve is too shallow, like we're looking at here, then only one side of the framing square and the point here will touch, but we will not have both sides and the point touching, as you can see here. Now, if we do have a semicircle, a half of a circle, then all three of these points will touch. And again, like I said, I don't know if you would use something like this to check columns, or I would imagine the same would be true on the inside. That'll be another video later. But of course, this is a curve for something like this, and we're using the outside of the framing square. And you can see here where any position that we have it in is going to be touching all 3 points on the framing square. If the circle or curve is too deep, then you will have the 2 sides touching, but you won't have the point here touching. As we can see here, ain't gonna happen. So, like I said, don't know what you would use this for. Apparently it was used for making and double checking the cast for something that would be used to make metal round tubes or something like that. I guess that's what that was used for. In carpentry or home building, I would imagine it could be used for checking round surfaces, or something like a form that would need to be a circular shape. So again, just wanted to share it. Don't shoot the messenger. I am planning on making quite a few videos about what you can do with a framing square. I thought it was interesting, and I'll probably say this throughout the videos, that I got a book years ago in the 80s, early 80s, and it was all the stuff you could do with a framing square. And again, it might be a book you might be interested in looking up. I am probably going to put a book together myself and create a better version of the one I had years ago. And of course, I will put a link to that in my book section at the website when I actually do have it made.